tukso ang aking puso. Ilang ulit na bang naiinapan ka, di na natuto. Sulyap na iyong mata, aking nadarama kahit malayo. Nahihirapan na, kalapit-lapit pa, di na natuto. Isang ngiti mo lang at ako'y napapaamo. Napapaamo. Yakapin mong minsan at muling magbabalik sa'yo. Na walang kalaban-laban, ang puso ko'y tanging iyo lamang. Heto na naman, laging nananabik ang aking puso. Muling bumabalik sa iyong mga halik, di na natuto. Isang ngiti mo lang at ako'y napapaamo. Napapaamo. Yakapin mo minsan at muling magbabalik sa'yo. Na walang kalaban-laban, ang puso ko'y tanging iyo lamang. Huwag mong gawing biro ang ating pagmamahalan. Ang puso ko'y tanging iyo bumabalik sa iyong mga halik. Di na natuto. Nandiyan ka na naman, tukso-tukso. Di na ako natuto. Di na natuto. Eto na naman, ay nako. Di na natuto. Walang kalaban-laban. Di na natuto.
Wish 107.5, the Apple Hiking Society with that Danny Javier penned song, popularized by Mr. Pure Energy, of course, Gary V. Track entitled Di Na Natuto. Tito Boboy, Tito Jim, may tawag tayo dyan sa mga di natututo eh. Ngayon tawag na dyan mga marurupok. Yung mga bumabalik-balik pa rin sa kanilang mga quote-unquote nakaraan.
Marupok, ha?
Yes, sir.
Kala ko pasaway.
Pwede rin. Yes, and by the way, we gotta give credit where credit is due. Their musical director, of course, none other than Mr. Band Samson. Bond. Yes, sir. James Bond.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Tito Boboy, Tito Jim, please introduce the rest of the band also.
On second keyboard, we have JD Villanueva.
So, JD.
Yeah.
Wave, JD.
Yeah.
People are watching.
He arranges a lot of our music also.
On drums, we have Lawrence Nolan.
Yes, sir.
Pinakabunso nga namin.
He plays for Yan Constantino and other big names.
Ang dami.
Grabe.
In demand nga siya
In
talaga.
demand, in
Ngayon nga
demand.
medyo napilitan na siya sa amin.
On bass, Colby de la Calzada.
Sir
there he
Colby.
Yan. Yun yung aming awardee talaga na senior bass player namin.
Yes, sir.
And of course, Noel Santiago on guitar.
Sir
Yan,
Noel.
si Kikong.
Palakpakan nyo naman.
And on backing
Salamat.
vocals.
Yes. We have Camille Johnson and Julian Mendoza.
Sir, you
Yan.
all sound incredible.
Ay, magagaling talaga yan. They're actually theater people also. They're artists on their own right.
Solid,
Yeah,
solid
yeah.
stuff. And just to paint a picture, everybody here who are performing, they're rocking Apple Hiking Society merch, right? Meron ba maraming nagtatanong online eh, how can they get a hold of your merch?
I don't know. These jackets that we're wearing are kind of new. It's the first time we're wearing it.
Uh-huh.
It's off the box. And, well, you know, we have a book. We have an Apple book that's selling now. And we're saying that in our concerts, if you buy the book, we're gonna raffle off jackets
Let's
to
go.
the buyers of the book.
Awesome, awesome stuff. Now let's speak about this song entitled Gilio. Any
Oh my-
fond memories, Tita Jim?
This is the sweetest song I probably ever wrote. You know?
Uh-huh.
It's yung parang sobrang in love ka sa sa minamahal mo na kahit anong makita mo, nare-remind ka sa kanya. Kahit na ano.
Katulad na sinabi mo kagabi, hindi ka makatulog.
Oh.
Yun, pag iniisip mo siya.
Yes, exactly.
Kaya
Yes,
giliw
sir.
talaga. Nagigiliw siya.
Etong mga the guys out there, we sing this during live performances.
Uh-huh.
And
Since today is live, we're live today, no?
Yeah.
So,
so it's not, when we do a concert, it's not always hits. Although, kuminsan ganun, parang ganun.
So
But
this
we
is-
throw in new stuff here and there na on one hearing, type mo na, yung ganun.
Tama. Kumbaga, for lack of a better description, parang diamonds in the rough.
Yeah.
Right? We got unknown hits.
yeah, this is a standard intro sa mga songs. Gano'n na. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna sing Gilly now. And we hope you like it.
And here we go. Any moment now, Apple Hiking Society live on board the Wish Bus. Gilio on Wish 107.5. Take it away, guys.